Okay, so I still don't know if my Peaches is pregnant. And I had purchased her from a farm about an hour away on one of the mountains in the town. And basically she was exposed to a buck, and so was the other young one, which is actually Juniper. So real quick, here's Peaches. Hi, Peachy. So this is Peaches. Ignore the trash in the back, we're renovating. We've been working on this old barn, so there's crap everywhere, literally. So, and then here's Juniper. Hi. Ignore this old papasan chair as well. We are keeping that. Peaches loves it. And then we also just hang out here in the barn sometimes. So, anyway, so Peaches was exposed to, well, they both were exposed to a buck. So when I purchased them, she did not say whether she for sure is or isn't. She doesn't know, but the possibility is there. I try to look for a test today. Nowhere local sells those, so I am going to have to order it. It's a urine analysis test, a pregnancy test for Peaches. And I may go ahead, even though Juniper's young, I may go ahead and test her. I'm going to go ahead and sit back down here. I may go ahead and test her because she was showing signs of coming into basically puberty for a goat. So I'm going to order those offline and we're going to find out. But till then, I am out.